Hi everyone, welcome to Module 2. Thank you for all your work on Module 1. It was really great reading about everyone and watching you kind of get to know each other through your icebreaker blogs. Here's Module 2. The main work of Module 2 is going to be the reading of the text kid watching and then the discussion. So you'll need to have kid watching completed by about Thursday so that you can start here on Friday and enter the discussion forum. You'll post something here, and then Saturday and Sunday you'll go back in and you're going to respond to two or three other people in their threads, and you're going to complete that by Monday. So let me show you how you're going to get to that discussion. Here are focus questions to guide you for the discussion. And so you can look at these as you're reading and it can kind of frame your reading. You're going to click here and it's going to take you to the discussion board. The questions are also repeated here as well as some instructions. And let me just show you a couple of tips. It's kind of hard from this page, if you land here, to figure out who is posted and to respond to people. If you click on the discussion here, you're going to get a list of people's names, and you can click and then respond to them directly. My computer's not doing this, but up here it says list view. If you find, you might have an option to do tree view, and that will kind of lay it out in sort of a tree form, which might be helpful. This create thread is how you create something new, and it's pretty intuitive once you get in, but please let me know if you're having any kind of glitchy things, because we know this happens. So that's the discussion. So now let me go back to what else. In the kid watching, there is a bunch in there on informal interviews. And so if you have a chance to meet with your case study, you can certainly get started with the informal interview. Again, it's going to be on literacy practices, and you can just get ideas of questions from the early chapters there and also the appendix. So that's something that you can get started in. All of the other more formal assessments for your case study, I'm going to introduce you to those next week when I see you in class. Okay, so that's the basic gist of this week. This snack schedule, I'm going to update this. So if you want to participate in bringing in food for our campus classes, you can sign up here. I think that's probably an old version, so I'll revise that for us. And this, while you're doing your discussion, you'll see I'll be coming in as well and responding. I want to show you an example. Oh, a couple things, two more things. One is there is a rubric for this discussion. How to find it is this way. So you click on My Grades, and then you'll find, here's our discussion, and you can view the rubric here. So based on a 7-point scale, so what I'm really looking for is a real thoughtful synthesis where you're integrating what you're reading and you're kind of connecting with other people in their blogs. You can kind of look in that in more detail. Let me just do a quick look of what a typical response might look like, and kind of you can get a sense sort of lengthwise. So this person's telling me which question they're going to address, and then it's kind of like a long paragraph for each sort of question. So she did 2 questions here. So that's what your initial threads should look like, more or less. And then when you respond to people, you can go in and just pull something that interests you, that you're connecting with, to respond to. Okay, I think that is everything. Let me know if you need anything or if things are not working. And I'll be checking in on kind of Friday to making sure everyone's got that initial post in. Okay, take care. Thank you.